a great example is there was a person in our community yesterday and they were struggling with a prompt. And like, this isn't giving me what I want, my words or my tonality maybe, but that's how I read it. And then I looked at the prompt and I'm like, I don't even understand what you're asking, right? So AI is only going to be as good as the direction you're giving it. And so if the direction you're giving it makes sense to you, but someone else reading it doesn't understand it, then you're not going to get the answer you want. And I think that's a big thing, not just with Castmagic, but just AI as a whole, is people are like, why doesn't it know what I'm saying? AI should know how to read my mind and all these things. But like, at the end of the day, like, no, it doesn't. So this, I think, AI will actually make us better communicators. I know there's disagreements on the other side, but like, I think AI will make us better communicators because you will now be forced to actually say in a way that makes sense to another person what you want without them having to read your mind. And I always have analogies I use on this, but I'll spare the audience the analogies. Hopefully you get the idea.